Hello, are you planning to create a admin account of your Mac? So let's see how we can create a Mac admin user in 2 minutes. So at first we need to click this Apple menu and it will bring this type of options. From here we have to choose system settings. I'm going to click system settings and the system settings window will be opened. On the left side we'll find couple of menus are there. We have to scroll down till we find users and groups. I'm going to click users and groups, and right side we'll see the list of users. Our goal was to create a admin user, right? So I'm going to click add user. I'm going to press this button and very shortly it is asking the password to unlock this computer. So I'm going to unlock this computer, to create the account by typing the password, and then I'm going to press the unlock button. I'm going to click here. So if the password is correct, it will unlock and it will bring us this type of window. From here we have to create the new admin account. At first we need to choose the group or type of this new user. So I'm going to click here and it will bring this type of options like administrator, standard, sharing only. I'm going to choose administrator because we are going to create an admin user. Now we have to type the full name. Suppose the full name is FewSteps. So I'm going to type it here and the account name. So I'm going to type the account name same. You can change it if you want, but I'm going to type the same without any space, and then I'm going to type the password. I'm going to type a small and easy password like ABC for this tutorial, but you will type a very strong password. Again, I'm going to retype this password just to verify whether this password is correct or not. I'm going to type the password again, and that's it. Now this field is optional. We can give some hint if we want, otherwise we can ignore it. And now we have to press the create user. Once we press the create user button, then we'll see the FewSteps account has been created, and here it is showing this is an admin account. Here it is mentioning, and if you press I, it has all the details. And here there is a switch button, allow this user to administrate this computer. It is enabled. So that's it. We can press the OK button to close this window, and now we can log in this user by using that username and password which we created during the creation of this account. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily create an admin user of our Mac computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.